So now I just need to find where I clipped them from. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be attempting the Molly-Mae signature look with the Mark Hill pick and mix wand. This is the extra long barrel, so it kind of mimics the Beauty Works one, because normal barrels probably go to like about here, so this is even longer. So it's perfect for long hair, it's perfect for extensions, doesn't leave any bits out. This is the first time I'll be trying it myself, so let's hope for the best. So first thing that you are going to want to do is section your hair off, especially if it is really long. So I'm going to take a section from the underneath. Fab. So now that our hair is sectioned, we're going to take our first curl and curl it, and let's hope for the best. So I'm leaving it for about 10 seconds, and then once it's ready I'm going to let it drop into my hand and hold it there until it cools. Wow, that is really bouncy. Oh my god. Wow, how bouncy is that? Wow, that curl is actually beautiful. So they're the first two curls done. So I know that Molly-Mae normally pin curls it, so I think I'm going to do the exact same, and then I'm going to curl the whole of my head. Once they've all cooled down, I'm going to take them all out and brush them through. So now all of the curls are done and they're all pin curled, so I'm going to let them set, I'm going to let them cool, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you the results. So now that they're all set, I left them for about 15 to 20 minutes. I am now going to do the reveal, and I'm going to pull them all out and then we'll see what they look like. So now I just need to find where I clipped them from. Oh my god, they are so bouncy. So this is one side with the pin curls out, unbrushed. So this is what the curls are looking like with them unbrushed. I think they're quite nice actually, they're very bouncy and they're very set. I'm just going to take a paddle brush and start brushing them out. So you do want to brush them quite hard, because they are set, they will just bounce. Do you know what? I am so impressed with this. Curls feel so bouncy, they literally feel like they'd last all day, and I wouldn't even mind if they did drop a little bit, because this is quite bouncy for me. But you probably could get away with not pin curling them if you wanted them a little bit more softer, but overall I am super duper impressed with that. So to finish it off, if you want to keep it obviously quite bouncy, quite voluminous, you don't really want it to move anywhere, then I'd probably put some hairspray on it. I like mine a little bit softer, so I am just going to run some oil through it. And voila, that is the finished look. So that's it guys, and thank you for watching, and I hope that helped. It's definitely amazing. It's a 10 out of 10 from me. I will definitely be purchasing some more from Mark Hill, so if you would like to see any more videos from the Mark Hill pick and mix range, then just leave a comment down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Thank you.